Get ready to meet your new droid best friend. This is Dio. He's a new app-enabled, Bluetooth-controlled, interactive droid made by Hasbro. He's gonna go on sale for Triple Force Friday. And you remember when BB-8 was rolling around when that movie came out. Now there is a new droid toy. So if you're wondering, who is Dio? Well, this is the new droid that's gonna be featured in the upcoming movie, Rise of Skywalker. He's a self-balancing mono-wheel droid. So as you can see here, it's not like the ball, the sphere you remember from BB-8, but he's just driving up and down and balancing on his own. And he has, through the app, you can puppet him, drive him around. He's able to turn. That's pretty cool. Also has a lot of different animations for his different little personality quirks. Like every droid, he's got the little beeps and the boops that let you know how he's feeling or what mood he's in. You can use the app to activate all sorts of different moods and expressions when you're driving him around. He was made by BB-8, and in that regard, has his personality kind of like a little kid or a puppy droid, following BB-8 everywhere around. You can see he was made by some scrap parts because he's all dinged up, a little rusty. I like the little detail and all the paint around here and all the little dings and nicks he has that are just add to his personality. He's got 3 rows of lights here that are kind of like his eyes. And when he's having different expressions, the little antennas in the back will move around based on, how he's feeling. And because he's a little puppy of sorts, he also has to have a little toy ball, right? So here is an IR beacon ball that he will follow around in different game modes. So there's an IR sensor here and it's looking for the ball, so you can have Dio come to the ball, or you can play a game with it, hot and cold, hide the ball in the room and see if Dio can find the ball based on if he's hot or cold. You can give him clues. So that's kind of cute too. Within the app, there's a guessing game. So he will play a certain expression, a certain emotion, and you have to guess which one it is. Is he happy? Is he sad? Is he confused? Is he surprised? All the many emotions of a droid. He's got a button on the side that knows that he's in the stand. So you just snap him in and he'll just hang out there. What's cool about the stand is that on the bottom here, you have a storage compartment where you can put his charging cable or even his little back antennas when you want to just store them and keep them safe, and just put it back on the bottom. What's kind of cool about the design here is that the antennas are designed to pop off. So if you're going fast and racing him around and he crashes and antenna pops off, don't worry, it's supposed to do that. To charge Dio, you just have to plug in a mini USB cable, and the accessory IR ball takes 2 AAA batteries. And you just turn it on and off by pressing the button. His little lights up here will change when he's charging to let you know how much power he has. Out of the box, he'll be about 30% charged. So if you want to just start playing, you can. I really like how it's just a very simple play. You just can drive him around on the app. You can decide if you want to make him turbo fast or not, just going in different directions and puppeteering what kind of emotions and expressions you want him to say. They worked closely with Lucasfilm on making sure that it goes along with the character from the movie, of course, as you would expect. If you want to adopt your very own Dio, he goes on sale October 4th, Triple Force Friday, for about $150, and he is exclusive to Target.